Today we're going to make us a cheesecake. This time it's going to be a one with cookie crumb cheesecake. Anyways, what you want to do, you want to get this into the bag and you want to beat the living crap right out of this. Give it a good thumping. Ounce, 5 blocks of cream cheese. You can't get the one whipped in the tub, that won't work. You need the one that's cubed right here, room temperature. So we'll start off with the cream cheese, put that into the box, or the mixture. Next, you want a cup of sour cream, Daisy sour cream, or whatever kind of sour cream you know you work just fine. But you want a cup of it. And you don't have to get Philadelphia cheese cream, or whatever cheese. Cream cheese, whatever. Next, you want to crack 4 large eggs. Two more. One more. Okay, got that done. Next, you want a teaspoon of salt. So put in a teaspoon of salt. And you want a teaspoon of vanilla extract. That's if you don't spill it like I'm doing. Cup and a half. Next, you want a cup and a half of Splendid, or regular sugar. But if you're like me, you can't have regular sugar. You'll do Splendid or whatever your preference might be. But you want a cup and a half. 1 cup and a half. Next, you want a 1/4 cup of flour, all-purpose flour. Coming right over to the blender. Make sure it's locked in. Okay. Then we're going to start on not high. Kind of slow. You need kind of, yeah. You want to start out slow as you can, because if you don't, you'll get everything on you like I just about did. We're going to make the crust, and what you want to do is put a 1/4 of sugar of crushed cup of crushed graham crackers that you crushed, and you want a 1/4 of melted butter, and then you want to stir this all about. I'm just going to use a regular measuring cups or spoons, whatever you call them. You just stir them in real good together, because you want that flaky thing. In fact, put that down, just use your hands. Get them all incorporated together. The best way to do it is use your hands in the batter. Just came pan, and you want to put some joy down so it don't stick. Spray it all around real good. So when you will put the crust in there, into the oven, you want to make it level, smooth this out levelly as much as you can. Make sure this gets on here. While it's in the oven, we're going to work on our whipped cream. Okay, that should be smooth enough. Anyway, they'll call that good, and we'll put this in the oven and come back and look at it after. Now we're going to make us some homemade whipping cream out of heavy whipping cream. What you're going to take first is make sure your thing's cold. So put this all in the freezer, what you're going to use. But put 1 cup of heavy whipping cream inside. Next, take a tablespoon of powdered sugar, and then we're going to make sure this don't raise up. We're going to lock this down. We're going to start real slow. You don't want to go too fast. try to get a little bit quicker, get this all incorporated in. It's already been making whipping cream. We're going to stop it right here. Look at that. Look at that. Let's pull this up. Look at that. Now look at that. Let me take a... Okay, let's have a bite of this. Very good. Anyway, we're going. Okay, that's my cheesecake when it's done out of the oven. I'm going to put this into the freezer for about an hour or two before I put the icing on it. I hope you enjoy. Okay, here's the cheesecake with the whipped cream over it. And I put this back on so I can level it out easier. Now I'm going to sprinkle on the cookie crumbs. Chocolate chip cookie crumbs. And we're going to put this in the freezer. Let's set. Okay, here we are back again. And we're going to do a taste test on this. So, well, other than that, that's very pretty. I ain't said it a whole lot either. Oh my god. That is amazing. Look at that prettiness of that cake. Man, that is so beautiful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will bring you much more videos. Thank you.